colors they have. Ella. Por ahí tiene que andar saltando. Óvalo, po. No, Do you see the little black vulture in the background next to by the white bird?
That one?
That's a baby.
Oh.
Do you see the behavior? Oh.
He's more timid. Oh. Wow, look he grows so much bigger.
Yeah.
Well, what's gonna happen if I put my finger out?
So this one, we know this one. This is Nicole Richie. She's patrolling this area because his babies is in the corner.
Oh my god.
Yeah, she's gonna chase him. Look at it. They went under. Just only careful with your finger when you're pointing out. If you keep looking here, look at the other side of the edge. I will use my green light. We're gonna get closer where you see it. All those are babies. Can you see it?
I'm worried about the mum.
No, moms will be behind.
Oh,
She's coming, look at.
Wow, wait. Have a look.
If you come in here with your camera, you will be safe. Yeah, okay. She's not showing off there.
No.
Not yet. There's a baby in the water there too.
Oh, there she is.
Oh, there she is.
There she is. You know, first diet of them are crickets and butterflies. And as soon as they're going, they start chewing meat or whatever they found.
Will the mum come out of the water to eat that meat?
Well, not that small pieces now.
No.
They're gonna waste a lot of energy for nothing. Might be a big piece of chicken. Look at it. You can do the comparison. Look at the baby looking at her.
Oh. Oh my god.
She knows we're here. No, los ojos, que hayan visto los ojos. Qué bonitos son, tienen pupilas amarillas.
She's gone back under the boat.
Hang on it.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
They're gonna hit the ground. I don't want you to lose your position.
Thank you.
No worries. Close enough?
Yeah, it's good.
Holy.
It's pretty big, right?
Talia.
Yeah, go ahead.
Don't make
Go for
any
it.
sound.
No.
I'm scared.
Go ahead.
Oh my god.
You look into the camera and make a face like you hold it like you got it.
Ah! Ready? Oh, do you want to have a go?
I'll try.
What happened to his, like,
A fight.
with another crocodile? Oh my god, he's going so close.
the back feet.
Yeah. Wait.
Looks so prehistoric.
Yeah. Looks like a dinosaur.
56 million years to live in the planet. 56 million
Y sabe que las manos se dice, ¿no? Allá no. En el otro sí.
His brother, he's eating from that.
What's about to happen, Ben?
I want to see the crocodile sliding.
So our idea is making this guy come back in here, looking for a spot where he can get in closer to see it. This guy is walking and it's not swimming.
Really?
It's a block off. Se quiere arrimar, man. Pendejo yo. Ahí va, Isaac. Buen apetito. You wanna come up close? You see different their head? And you see their head of the herd is more small, more narrow compared with the ones already leave. Because she's quite more young.
She forgot a chicken.
No, it is not.
Por supuesto que no.
Wow.
agarra más, el bicho estira un poco más. Así. Y salen pesados, así, pero pesados, ¿no?
So this guy is 600 to 900 kilograms. So it's like weight like a bull. La cola más a la cola, bueno. Pégale tranquilo que no es más ruido. Close enough, señorita?
Close enough, Delia?
Definitely. Holy
Hay un
moly.
viaje otra vez. Hay un viaje otra vez. Hoy, mañana empieza a levantarme y el sábado es el pico. Va a estar grandísimo.
Look how big his hands are, his
I know,
back
his
hands.
backhand.
This is scales, transfer heat. All those are sensors. All those are sensors. And the main sensors are there. And their mouth and their jaw. All that is a little holes. We call it the glands of jaw.
You can see his stomach moving. Wow.
Any last words?
Que está duro, ¿ah? Yo le digo que le toque como al lado de las patas, digamos.
Okay, do you see now on top is hard, but took it in the side. It's a little more soft. To the tail, I mean to the feet. Up. You see it's a little more soft
Yeah.
compared with the top, which is more rough.
Yeah.
Different functions.
You like it?
Yeah, that'll do.